Hello, good morning. I hope you are doing well. I am new here. Nice to meet you.
Oh, I see. Nice to meet you too. I welcome you as a neighbor on behalf of all of us.
Thanks. By the way, how can I call you? May I know your name, please?
Of course. My name is Ronica. I also would like to know your name. What's your name?
Well, I am Andrew. You are the first person I am talking to here. I haven't met with anyone here.
Oh, I see. Maybe it's your first day here, that's way. Right?
Yes, you are absolutely right. If you don't mind, can I ask you a question?
Sure. Why not? You can ask anything you want to know. We are now neighbors.
I see you are not wearing your mask. Where is your mask?
Oh, nowadays people don't use masks here. We feel it's not important. Because the environment of this town is safe.
It's good and I am happy to hear this. You can wear it if this doesn't bother you. Although, it's a safe place. We should be conscious of this. And this is why I try to wear a mask every time, whenever I go outside of my home.
You are also correct. I will try to wear a mask next time, and other people should know this.
Great. You know the city I was living there, all people used to wear the mask all the time.
Nice. By the way, when did you arrive here? I forget to ask.
Well, I just arrived the last night. I can't remember the exact time.
I feel you are a doctor. I could be wrong. Ha ha ha.
Oh my God. You are right, but how did you know this? I didn't tell you yet.
Because you are very conscious about health. I thought you would be a doctor.
I see, you are a smart girl. I really appreciate it.
What types of patients do you serve?
I am a medicine specialist. Feel free and ask if you have any questions.
I wanted to know, how long have you been working in this profession?
Not too long, it's been almost 3 years. I have been working.
That's good. Did you dream of becoming a doctor from the beginning?
Yes, of course. When I was in school, since then I dreamed of becoming a doctor.
What about your parents? Did they support you?
Yes, my mother supported me a lot, but my father did not support me.
Then what he wanted? Why didn't he support it?
He is a businessman. He always wanted me to join his business.
Oh, I see. That was the reason. You didn't try to convince him.
Yes, I tried a lot. Also, my mother tried to convince him. Because I am the only son in my family.
I totally can understand the situation. Still, he doesn't support you.
I don't know, but he is not angry with me like before.
I think he understood this profession was perfect for you.
Maybe. I always wanted to make them proud.
Nice. Why did you choose this profession? Is there any specific reason?
I want to serve poor people who can't afford it. I want to make a big hospital.
Wow, I'm so happy to hear this. You are so a kind person. Your parents would be happy to know this.
I didn't tell them about this yet. I will tell very soon when the work starts.
I feel your parents are so lucky to have a son like you.
I wish too. What do you do for a living?
I'm working as a bank manager since 2020. It is just near the restaurant.
I saw that when I was coming in the taxi. I see you wake up early in the morning. Do you go office this time?
Yes, I go to the office this time, and what about you?
Yes, it's the same, but do you go by taxi?
Actually, we don't use taxis here. Most people use their personal car.
But at the moment, I don't have a car. I gave my car for repair.
I have an idea. I leave home around 8 in the morning. As I know, your office is not far from this place. I can drop you at your office, if you okay with this.
Really? How sweet. In fact, I didn't ask for your help, but you did.
I am happy to help you. You look like a good person. If you have any problem, you can ask me without any hesitation.
Oh, I am so lucky to have a neighbor like you.
By the way, if you don't mind, can I ask you a personal question?
Personal question. Okay, you can ask. No problem.
Thanks. I just wanted to know, are you married?
Yes, I was married, but now we are separated. It's okay. You can ask.
Oh, you mean you don't live with each other? Something like that?
No, no. We already have taken a divorce in the last month. Are you married?
Nope, I am not married, but I was dating someone for the last few years.
I can understand your feeling. If you are not comfortable, I will not ask you anything.
It's okay. We are also like a friend, so we can share these things.
So, what's the reason for your breakup? May I know this?
He used to be angry with me all the time. That was the reason.
Angry? But why? What did you do? I mean, what was the reason?
I couldn't give the time that much he wanted. He wanted to talk for 4 and 5 hours a day.
Seriously? Doesn't he know this you work?
Yes, he knows about all the things.
What was the profession of your ex-boyfriend?
He had a fruit business in the market.
Oh, I see. He should understand that you work.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Well, I like to go to the movies, watch series on TV, or traveling with friends.
Really? I also like traveling with my friends. I travel often when I get free time.
I thought you don't like traveling. But you like it.
And I thought you might don't travel because of your work.
No, and no. I am new here, and I don't know any good place in this city.
Well, I know some good places in this city. You can join us. We usually go on Sunday.
Amazing. I am excited to visit the places. I am free on Sunday, so I can join you but can take my child with me.
Child! You had a child, I didn't know this. How old is he? What is his name?
Yes, I have a boy and he lives with me. His name is Liam. He is 10 years old.
It's impressive. How do you manage your son and work? Your wife
Yes, initially, it was quite hard to manage, but now it's fine.
did not want her son. I am shocked.
She wanted to live abroad. She wanted to build her career there. So, that was the reason for our divorce.
So sad. It is good to prioritize building a career, but it should never be more important than a child.
Yes, I didn't force her, and I leave her as she wanted. I wanted a good and happy family.
Yes, all men want a happy family. I know that very well.
I am a little bit worried about my child's education. Which school should I admit him to?
Oh, don't worry. I know some good schools in our city. We can admit him there.
Brilliant. I was very tense about this. Now I am released for now.
Are we not getting late? I think we should leave now.
Yes, maybe, but to be honest, I am feeling so good talking with you.
Oh, really? Thanks. I am happy to talk with you.
I am serious. I have met a lot of ladies in my life, but I feel you are a little bit different from the others.
Different? How? I don't know what you see in me.
Ha ha ha, calm down, calm down. You may not understand. Actually, I would like to be a good friend of yours.
Of course. We can be good friends. I feel like our vibes match, right?
If you don't mind, can I ask you a personal question?
It's okay. Don't hesitate. Just ask whatever question you have.
What type of boyfriend or husband do you want in your life?
Well, I want a person in my life who can understand me and my feeling very well. As you know, I had a bad relationship with my ex-boyfriend. This time, I don't want to repeat the same mistake.
Very nice. I wish you will get a good life partner very soon. I am also looking for a girl who can take off my family.
Oh, I can understand. You have a child and he needs a mother who will take care of him.
My son is very naughty. He needs a mother who teaches him everything. You know, he is angry with me.
It's normal, but is he angry with you? What's wrong?
He wanted a bike and I didn't buy that for him.
Oh, no need to take a bike at this age, I guess, right?
Yes, he is a little bit sad for now. He will be okay, I am sure.
Sure. What do you like to eat in the morning?
Yes, I like to eat eggs and bread for breakfast.
Please, come to my home someday. I am inviting you.
Oh, thanks. I will come someday. Now we know each other.
It would be interesting. I will make Japanese food for you.
Japanese food. I never tried that. I have heard a lot about it.
We eat every day in the morning, and I am sure that you're going to love it.
Many of my friends told me these foods are so delicious.
Yes, you should try for once. I hope you will come home.
Sure, I will come, but why do you like Japanese food?
Because I was born in Japan. I am from Japan.
Ha ha ha. But you look like an Asian person. Believe me. I know. I was born in Australia, but I grew up in America.
Okay, now I have to go to my work and I am not feeling good today.
Why? What happened? Are you okay or not?
I am totally fine, but I feel pain in my stomach. Don't know why.
Do you have a gas problem? I think it could be the reason.
Yes, you are right. I have had a gas problem for a long time.
Oh, I see. I can give you the best medicine for the gas problem.
Really? I'm so thankful to you. Thank you so much.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.